Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to improve our code using empty directive. Okay, so let me give you the one example. So you can see that here's the alert parameter has a no value, so we haven't passed here. So let me pass the alert and let me pass alert equal to 1 and hit enter. So you can see that alert parameter has a value. If I remove the 1, so let me make it empty, and if I hit enter you can see that alert parameter has a no value. Okay, so how I did these things? Okay, so let me go to my blade file, and you can see that here I used if directive, and you can see inside the if directive I use the empty function. Okay, empty function, that means PHP function. So you can see that, and request alert. Okay, so same thing I did with the if directive, but Laravel also provide the empty directive. So let me do that one. Okay, using the empty directive. So let me go and like empty, so you don't have to if and empty both function together. You just need to define like this way, alert, and inside that you need to add, if there is a empty, then we need to define empty message. Okay, so let me class alert success, and there is a method like alert parameter has no value. Okay, and same thing, there is a else, and there will be and empty. Okay, and let me hit, and let me class alert success. Okay, and alert parameter has value. Okay, so you can see that you can directly use the empty directive instead of if and empty together use. Okay, so let me run it and let's check it. Okay, so if I go here and if I enter, then you can see that alert parameter has no value, but let me give the value. Like if I hit enter, you can see that alert parameter has a value. So you can improve your code using the empty directive. That helps, and you can improve your code skill. Thank you, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe us. Thank you so much.